Hi everyone. Now we can see exercise tracker. In this we are using MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js. This basically daily based exercise we can track. Now we can go to our coding part. I am using VS Code. If you want, you can choose another IDE. It is basically two modules. One is backend and another one is frontend. In backend, we are using MongoDB, Express.js and Node.js. .env created the MongoDB URL and we installed the packages and we have models. In these models, one is for users, another one is for exercise. In users, we can store our username. In exercise models, we have username, description, duration, and date. And also we have routes. In these two routes, one is for users and another one is for exercise. In user routes, this get route. In this add route, we can add the usernames and everything. And also we have exercise route. In this we can add, we can edit and we can delete for exercise user data. In server.js we imported the express.js, MongoDB and .env. We created the .env. In that we linked in for server.js and our server running on localhost 5000 and it is for database connection. MongoDB is connected means this notification will show or else it will show error. And we linked our routers and models. Now we can see our front end. In this we have navbar. In navbar we linked the exercise and create exercise and create users. In this we can create the users. We fetched the user API. If user is successfully added means this message it will show or else this error will display in our cart. And now we can go to create exercise. In create exercise, we imported the libraries and we linked the user data. In this, we can add the users. In this, we need username, description, and duration and the date. We can create the exercise. Same like that, created exercise, we can edit and delete also. And app.js, we have all routes for front ends. And index.is, we linked our DOM. Now we can run our servers. CD backend and npm start. Now our backend is running. Our server is running on 5000 port number and our MongoDB was successfully connected. Now we can run our front end server npm start. It is running command of our front end. It is our ETM database. We have two tables. One is for users, another one is for exercise. to our local host running on 3000. In this, nothing is there. Now we can create username. Username is user. Our user was successfully created. We can check in our database. So our username was stored in our DB. And now we can create our exercise. We have to select our user. The description is running and time 5 minutes. Today date 17. If we create, it will display in our exercise date. It also this also stored in our database. So username, description, direction, and the date. In this, we can edit 5 minutes to 10 minutes. If we give edit, it will update our database and our application. In this, we can check our database. Direction 5 to 10, it was changed. And in this, if we don't want this, we can delete also. If we click delete button, it will show alert, delete alert. We can use to delete. Like this, it will work. Thank you.